Hello students. Today in this presentation we are going to learn about example of composite supply and mixed supply, and you will get better understanding about the composite supply versus mixed supply through this example. And then we will also have some MCQ that is to be answered by you before my answer comes in front of you, so that your concept gets totally clear. Let's start the example. But before I start my example, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. First one is, suppose this is mobile charger and this is mobile cable. Now rate on charger is 12%, rate on mobile cable is 8%, and this is mobile, and rate on mobile is 10%. Now you have to identify which type of supply this is, whether it is a composite supply or a mixed supply. Then there are certain conditions that to be kept in mind while deciding whether it is composite supply or mixed supply. First one, that there should be principal supply and subsidiary supply. Then it can be considered as a composite supply. But if they are not naturally bundled, if they can be sold separately, then it can be considered as a mixed supply. In this case, now you have to identify whether these things are naturally bundled or not. Mobile is always sold with cable and charger, so that is why we can say that it is a naturally bundled. Now let's see the another example, and this is an example on which a different rate is applicable. Say for example, on this apricot, this plum, you can say that 5% is applicable. Then on this item, pista, 8% is applicable. Almond, 10% is applicable. Cashew, 12% is applicable. Then walnut, 15% is applicable. Then this is also plum, dried plum, and on that 7% is applicable. Now these items are not naturally bundled, they can be sold separately. Now here question arises, which rate is applicable, whether it is to be taxed at 12%, 8% or 10% in first case, and in second case at what rate this will be charged, whole product is charged, because they are sold at a single price. Both the things are sold at a single price as a combo. So for that you have to identify which is considered as a mixed supply and which is considered as a composite supply. So my dear students, this is composite supply. Why? Because mobile charging cable and mobile charger are considered as a composite supply because they are naturally bundled. So that is why now second answer, which rate will be applicable? The rate of principal supply will apply to entire supply. This is golden rule that you have to keep in mind. The rate of principal supply will apply to entire supply. यह आपको दिमाग में ध्यान में रखना है स्टूडेंट्स. सो यहाँ पे प्रिंसिपल सप्लाई है मोबाइल, उसका रेट है एप्लीकेबल 10%. सो पूरे प्रोडक्ट पे कौन सा रेट एप्लीकेबल होगा? 10%. एंड सेकेंड वन इज एग्जाम्पल ऑफ मिक्स सप्लाई because they are not naturally bundled. Now here highest rate will apply because in mixed supply what is the rule? Highest rate will apply to entire supply. So here highest rate is 15%, so that is why 15% will apply to entire supply. So on the basis of this explanation you have to give the answer of MCQ which will come in next slide.